Hello everyone. So our today's next topic is mobility. Okay, the definition of the mobility is it is the magnitude of drift velocity of charge per unit electric field applied. Okay, now we will understand the definition here. If we take the conductor, you have applied the electric field E on this conductor. Due to that electric field, the electron inside that conductor will start to move. Okay, as you increase the electric field, तो the electrons movement will, the electron speed will increase. अगर speed increase होगी, the rate of collision will increase. The rate of collision will increase. It means the drift velocity will decrease. If drift velocity is decreased, it means we can say that mobility will decrease. So the symbol of so we understood that if electric field, if we increase the electric field, okay. So rate of collision will increase. If rate of collision will increase, then their drift velocity will decrease. If drift velocity will decrease, it means the mobility, the speed of the electron will decrease. Okay, this is the chart we can see here in this topic. Okay, now what is the formula for the drift velocity, that mobility? Mobility is defined by the symbol mu, which is equals to drift velocity upon electric field. Okay. Now what drift velocity is written as Vd, electric field by E. Now what's the formula for Vd? Vd is equals to Q E tau upon M upon E. So E by E will cancel. Then it comes out to be Q tau upon M. So it means mobility depend upon the Q, charge carrier, charge of the charge carrier multiplied by the relaxation time and divided by that mass. Okay, if we take the charge carrier as electron, then we will write it as mu E is equals to E tau E upon Me. Okay, in semiconductor we have the charge carrier as holes. So we will take it as mu H is equals to Q tau H upon Mh. So this is all about mobility. Is relation between current and drift velocity. Now we will take a conductor of area A, area of cross section A, length L. Okay. Electric field with E and drift velocity of electron will be in opposite direction of electric field. Okay, now we will calculate the total charge here. So total charge will be is equals to volume of the conductor, okay, multiply by number density of electrons, this one. Okay, so what does it mean? We will represent it by Q. टोटल चार्ज कितना होगा? जितना इसका वॉल्यूम होगा. वॉल्यूम इट मीन्स A इंटू L मल्टीप्लाई बाय N. N मीन्स नंबर डेंसिटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. इट मीन्स चार्ज फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम. ठीक है, फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम मल्टीप्लाई बाय E. Okay, this one will be your total charge in the inside this conductor. Now here we will calculate the time. Okay, now what will be the time? Time will be is equals to distance upon speed. So distance traveled by the electrons will be L divided by the speed. Speed will be drift velocity. It means Vd. Okay, now what's the formula for the current? Current is equals to Q upon T. Just placing the value of equation first and equation 2 in this. Okay, Q will be is equals to A L N E upon T with L upon Vd, which comes out to be I is equals to A N E V D. L by L will cancel. So this is the equation which relates between the current and the drift velocity. Okay, now our next topic is deduction of Ohm's law. Okay, for that we will take drift velocity is equals to E tau upon M. Okay, Now what we need? We need R is equals to V upon I. So we need this equation V upon I. So as we know, I is equals to NEAVD. Okay, so we will place the value of VD in this equation, which comes out to be NEA E tau upon M. And where electric field is equals to potential difference upon length. We will place the value of this one also, E square A in place of E, V upon L, M tau will come. So this is the equation of I. So I is equals to N E square A tau upon Ln. So V we will take outside. Okay, as we need V upon I, it comes out to be I upon V, tau upon Ln. We need what? V upon I. So we will do the reciprocal for it. See? So it comes out to be V upon I is equals to Lm upon Ne square A tau. This is your equation for the Ohm's law, which comes out to be R. So R is equals to Lm upon Ne square A tau. This is the electrical resistance. Now what does it mean, electrical resistance? It which resists the path of the flow of electrons. Okay. Here we can see this N is constant. Okay, at a given temperature. Okay, at a fixed temperature, this N is constant. Area is constant. This length is constant. Okay, so if these all quantities are constant, so this R is also a constant. So can we write it as R is equals to V upon I, and here it comes out to be V is equals to IR. So by this equation we have reduced the Ohm's law, that is equals to V is equals to IR. Okay, now our next topic is current density. Now what does it mean? It means the amount of current flowing per unit area. This one is the current density. Okay, the symbol for current density is capital J, which is equals to I upon A. Amount of current flowing per unit area. Okay, it is a vector quantity. It has the direction also. And the direction of current density is along the motion of positive charge. Along the motion of positive charge. Okay, now J, what's the formula for the I? NEAVD upon A. So A by A will get cancelled, so J is equals to NEVD. This is the formula for the current density J. Okay. Okay. Now next topic is conductance. So conductance is just the opposite of resistance. So resistance is a which opposes the flow of electron, and conductance is opposite of that. It is denoted by the symbol capital G, which is equals to 1 upon R. Okay, and the formula for the R is equals to ml upon Ne square tau A. So G we can write it as Ne square tau A upon ml. And the SI unit for the capital G is mho or SIEMEM. Okay, now next topic is electrical conductivity. Okay, this one is the, what does it mean now? It is represented by the symbol sigma. It will be the opposite of electrical resistivity. Okay, it is the opposite of electrical resistivity, where rho is equals to m upon Ne square tau. So sigma comes out to be Ne square tau upon m. Now what will be the SI unit for this one? SI unit will be mho m inverse. Okay, this is the SI unit for electrical conductivity. Topic is relationship between J, that is current density, sigma, electrical conductivity, and E, electric field. For that, we will write the equation of I, which is equals to NEAVD. Okay, now what's the formula for this VD? It will be is equals to E tau upon M. Okay, now it comes out to be N E square A tau E upon M. This one will be your electrical, so this one will be your current I. So we will write that I upon A we will take here, it comes out to be N E square A E upon M. As we know, current density is equals to I upon A. Okay, and where rho is equals to M and E square tau. M and E square, this one, tau, sorry, tau will come here. A tau, just tau, this one. So can we write it as J is equals to 1 upon rho E, and where 1 upon rho it comes out to be sigma. So this is the equation between J, sigma